I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Irish cabbage. First, select a fresh, firm head of green cabbage, ideally weighing around 2 pounds. Remove any outer damaged leaves, then rinse it thoroughly under cool water. Next, shred or chop the cabbage into roughly 1-inch pieces, ensuring they are uniform for even cooking. You can then boil or steam these pieces until they are tender crisp, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. This initial step sets the stage for a delicious dish. To create a truly traditional Irish cabbage, you'll want to incorporate some classic flavors. Begin by sautéing about 4 ounces of diced bacon or pancetta until it's beautifully crispy. Remove the bacon, leaving the rendered fat in the pan. Then, add a generous knob of unsalted butter, roughly 2 tablespoons, allowing it to melt. Finally, stir in a splash of whole milk or heavy cream, about 1/4 cup, for a creamy, comforting finish. Season with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. You can easily enhance the flavor of your Irish cabbage with a few simple additions. Consider sautéing 1 medium onion or 2 leeks, thinly sliced, in butter until softened before combining them with your cooked cabbage. Fresh herbs, such as 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley or chives, can add a lovely brightness. For a warm, subtle spice that complements the cabbage beautifully, try adding just a small pinch of ground nutmeg, around 1/8 teaspoon, at the end of cooking. Once your Irish cabbage is perfectly cooked and seasoned, there are many wonderful ways to enjoy it. It makes a delightful and comforting side dish, especially when served hot alongside traditional corned beef. For a truly iconic Irish meal, mix the cooked cabbage with creamy mashed potatoes to create a hearty colcannon. And for an extra touch of flavor and texture, always remember to garnish your finished dish with those crispy bacon bits you prepared earlier. Enjoy every delicious bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.